HR analytics is very important for increasing worker productivity. Imagine a busy office where the workers are the lifeblood of the business and are responsible for both productivity and new ideas. In this situation, HR analytics becomes a useful tool because it gives valuable information about how employees are doing and how to help them reach their full potential. First, picture HR professionals looking into patterns of performance and analyzing data on output, quality, and efficiency. By looking for patterns and trends, they can find employees who do a great job and areas where performance may be lacking. With this information, businesses can figure out what makes people productive and put in place plans to improve performance across the board. Next, imagine HR professionals doing root cause analysis to find the underlying problems that are stopping people from being productive. By looking at data about training, workload, and resource distribution, they find inefficiencies and problems that lower performance. This makes it possible for targeted interventions to address fundamental issues of encouraging a culture of always getting better. Now, imagine HR professionals figuring out the best way to divide up the workforce by matching job requirements with employees' skills and abilities. By looking at data on skills, experience, and length of service, they make sure that employees are given tasks that play to their strengths, which increases output and productivity. If we go on this journey any further, we can imagine HR professionals using predictive analytics to plan their workforce. By looking at historical data on turnover and changes in demand, they can predict how many workers will be needed in the future. This lets business plan ahead to meet demand and keep productivity high. Also, think about HR analytics as a way to keep employees engaged and happy. HR professionals figure out what affects morale and motivation by looking at survey results and performance reviews. With this information, they start programs like reward systems and chances to move up in their careers to get employees more involved and boost productivity. Lastly, think about how HR analytics could help create a culture of continuous improvement by giving regular updates on how productive the workforce is. HR professionals improve strategies, find best practices, and encourage ongoing productivity gains by keeping an eye on key performance indicators over time. In a nutshell, HR analytics helps an organization succeed by giving managers information and plans on how to get the most out of their employees. Organizations can get the most out of their employees and make the workplace more efficient and successful by making decisions based on data and implementing continuous improvement programs.